Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe High Country. Comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, second row heated seating, dual pane sunroof, magnetic ride control, trailer tow package with integrated brake controller, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors with lots of extra paneling and storage in the bottom. Also equipped with cup holders. It's also equipped with Bose speaker sound system. That'll come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, and the power windows, as well as your seat memory. You got these power running boards here as well. Of course, your high country badging, and your both power adjustable lumbar, heated and ventilated high country leather seats. Very nice. It's very slushy today, so we'll click it out. There we go. Okay. Left side here, we're gonna have ventilation, and we're gonna have our parking brake, as well as park assist, lane keep assist, auto stop, and as well as our hill descent control, heads up display controls, and as well as our 2- and 4-wheel drive, extra lighting, and our integrated brake controller. Left side here, we're gonna have the steering wheel, cruise control, forward collision alert, as well as our heated steering wheel option. And the right side is our voice recognition and cluster control. So with the odometer, you could pretty much access all of your vehicle information, as well as your adaptive cruise control, speed limits, and other information as well about the vehicle and Bluetooth connectivity and navigation. You're gonna have push to start. Obviously, you're gonna have the brand new shifter as well. And of course, our tri-zone climate control with rear climate, heated and ventilated leather seats, like I said. And up top here onto the infotainment system, you're gonna have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and navigation. You can also access Amazon Alexa and your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as your trailer hitch camera. You can also access your climate and Chevrolet Maps and of course Spotify. Down below, you're gonna have 2 USB ports and a 12-volt DC port, as well as this big wireless charging pad, pretty much fit in a smartphone. As well as you're gonna have cup holders, center console with an extra SD card reader and 2 more USB ports with removable storage. Passenger side, same finish. You're gonna have the high country seats. Looks awesome. You're gonna go across the door. Same wood and chrome across the dash. A little secret storage there as well. Bose speakers up top, as well as you're going to have the regular and then camera rear view mirror. You can also access your OnStar services, your SOS, your reading lamps, as well as your seating, rear liftgate control, as well as your dual pane sunroof. So we're going to have these 22-inch chrome aluminum wheels here. We're going to have our high country badging, as well as the Tahoe badging, paint match mirror caps, and paint match keyless entry door handles. Silver luggage rack up top with deep tint rear glass. You're also going to have the quad exhaust in the back, and it sounds pretty decent. You're also going to have our liftgate. Let's access here. We're going to have our 3rd row seating. So let's just put these down for maximum storage. So once they're down, you're going to have way more room as well. You're going to have an AC wall charger back here, as well as extra hooks and extra wheel well storage. While we're in the back here, we can check out on the sides of the 3rd row seating. You have cup holders and USB ports on each side, and as well as up top, you're going to have lamps, ventilation as well, and hooks. It's a very spacious rear. And moving on to the rear, we're going to have the same style, storage and cup holder, as well as a Bose speaker. It's going to come up here to the power locks and the power windows with the wood and chrome. Of course, you're going to have the high country badging and seats. Hop in, tons of extra legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's seat, rear cup holders with rear ventilation and control, heated seating, and 2 USB ports, as well as an AC wall charger. Of course, with the captain seats, armrest right there, handles on the side, vents and lamps up top with hooks, and right above you is the dual pane sunroof. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet. We checked out this 2021 Chevrolet Tahoe High Country. Comes equipped with a 6.2 liter V8 engine, as well as standard tow trailer tow package, as well as integrated brake controller, 3rd row seating, dual pane sunroof, power running boards, 22-inch chrome wheels, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.